If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Zelle, follow these steps to regain access and ensure your account's security. Step 1. Access Zelle app. Open the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security Options or Two-Factor Authentication settings. This section will allow you to manage your authentication methods. Step 4. Choose Reset option. Find the option to reset or modify your two-factor authentication settings. You may need to verify your identity through a security question or by receiving a code via email or SMS. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. You may be asked to set up a new two-factor authentication method, so be prepared to provide a new phone number or email address if necessary. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset and you can continue using Zelle securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for further assistance.